and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell. That way you'll never miss out on any of my up and coming eyeshadow tutorials or first impressions. Also, all products used in this video will be listed and linked down below. So today's look, I wanted to create a great smoky eye with a little twist to it that's great for wintertime. So if you like to see how I got this look, then go ahead and stay tuned.
I can't find my way back to you until you make amends with the demons you've been through. And I can't regret leaving you alone until you find your way back home. Find your way back home. Don't let me drown. Don't let me drown. Don't let me drown.